Madden Football brings you the divisional round of the NFL playoffs, and it's brought to you by EA Sports. It's the Cards and the Cowboys on Sunday night.
It's the NFL on EA Sports, and we're on the road to the Super Bowl. Tonight, we'll close out the weekend with what should be a good one between the Arizona Cardinals and the Dallas Cowboys. I'm Kate Scott, joining me as always, my partner in crime, Brock Heward, and we are excited to bring you this NFL divisional round game. Well, excited, the word that you and I get to use, Brock, as do all these great fans in attendance, but for the players down on the field, I think a better word to Now an inside handoff to Miller. And he gets up for a gain of about 4.
You know, that's a good run right there. Keep the offense on schedule. If he can average that type of yards per carry, this guy's going to be more than all right with letting him lead the show.
He's going deep this time. He had it for a moment, but a great defensive play to jar it loose. Incomplete. His first target doesn't lead to his first catch. And it's 3rd down. Back now, pressure on its way. The screen pass falls incomplete. Gonna have to wait a little longer for his first catch of the game. So they're left with 4th down here. Punt team is on now, and they get this away. And the fair catch made here at the 15. So here are the Cardinals now, headed out for their first drive. And it'll be their rookie QB who brings them out.
It's always fun. Puts a smile on my face when I see a rookie leading an offense out. A lot of them look like...
Drive starts with an option, right side. He cuts it to the right sideline. And he heads out of bounds. Great pickup on that run. 12 yards on that play, and a good call nets him the first.
When they drop these plays for the quarterback, these are the type of results they're expecting, Kate. Something that can tear a hole in the defense, move the chains, and just as importantly, and maybe most importantly, put a seed of doubt and thought into that defensive mind that the QB can run at any time. Well, he needed another second to deliver the throw he wanted to. You got to give a lot of credit that time, Kate, to the pass rush for getting in and forcing him to dish it before he was ready.
On 2nd and 10, it's Murray. Has a man, it's Brown. And they catch up to him, but not until he's got a huge gain and a first down. They get 22 on that one. And it'll be 1st down, Dallas.
1st and 10 at the 47-yard line.
From the gun, a give to Miller. And that's good yardage with a new set of downs.
I don't know, Kate. I didn't think he had it. That back did. He knew exactly where he had to get for the first down. Pops up right away and signals 1st down.
On 1st and 10, it's Murray. Into the hands of Samuel, complete. And they take him down right along the 30.
That is the epitome of staying on schedule. That kind of completion right there on 1st down. Well, it opens up the entirety of the playbook for 2nd down. On the 3rd and short in your back pocket, you can get even more aggressive and take that.
And he's going to get this to the 29 before he stopped. All plays on the table here for 3rd and 3.
Brings up 3rd and 3.
Operating from the gun, here's Murray. just got it away before the hit, but it doesn't matter. It's incomplete. Fourth down coming up.
It's now fourth down.
They snap it to Murray. Escapes the pocket. And this play reaches the 12-yard line before the stop is made. One of their best play calls of this game, Brock. Nets them 17 yards on fourth down and gets them the first.
As long as these are the results he's getting, they're going to be just fine with him calling his own number. He does such a good job of seeing the field and knowing when it's his time to take it himself.
From the red zone now. Nabs along that sideline, Samuel. And he drives this down to the 8 before going out. Now following that completion, we see a man shaken up. Officials calling for a pause as he gets looked at. 2nd and 6 coming up here. Now a shotgun handoff to Miller. And they'll make this stop after a small push to the 5. It's a pickup of 3. They're going to need 3 more now on third down. Out of the gun, here's Murray. Complete beyond the marker. And he pushes it all the way to the goal line, but goes out at the 1. 4 downs now to get in. Here's first and goal.
First and goal at the 1-yard line.
Straight ahead, here's Miller. And he is into the end zone for a Dallas touchdown. The Cowboys go up 6-0 here in the first. So our first score of the game here as they cap off that drive with a touchdown. On the give, it's Miller. And he won't get anything there. Several defenders nearby to hold him up. The rookie from Georgia in on that tackle. 2nd and 10, need to get some positive yardage here. From the gun, it's Murray. This one is tipped away and incomplete. Good positioning to make a play on it. That forces third down. Out of the gun, they'll look to throw. And oh, someone stepped in. It's intercepted. And the Cardinals get it back as he intercepts him for the 2nd time this game. Well, I know I don't need to tell you, partner, but if you're going to try to get aggressive, really push a throw downfield like that, you have to be smart about how you do it.
Yeah, that is spot on, Kate. If you've got to find that spot when you know the coverage won't be able to hold up, especially as you go 20.
Handoff here for Miller. And he can only manage 1 yard. The defenders were at the ready to bring him down.
As an offense in these situations, Kate, you could feel your own goal line, and you're not going to risk putting the ball in the air. So that means you're going to run it, and you're going to buy whatever breathing room you can.
And that's good yardage there with a new set of downs to boot.
Ooh, I like that. I really like that execution to move the chains. Now that third down call that they had ready, well, they could stick it right back in their pocket for a later occasion.
Catch is made down the right sideline. And they finally bring him down, but that is a big gain and a new set of downs. They're going to move the chains after a big play, 39 yards.
You know, Kate, we often talk about flipping the field in special teams, right? A kick return, a good punt. Well, an explosive play like that does the exact same thing. Look at the difference in field position. By hitting on that shot, you've totally flipped the field and the tone of this drive.
Murray here on first down. Short pass caught by his tight end. He finds him 16 yards and a new set of downs.
You want to become a quarterback's best friend? Do that. Turn a short little gain, a short little pass into some yards after catch, and that quarterback will find you again.
All right, set now, 1st and 10. They run, it's Miller. And they'll stop him after a short pickup to the 24. It's a gain of 3 for him. That brings up 2nd and 7.
A 3-yard pickup brings up 2nd and 7.
From the 24. Ooh, the Cardinals get to him here. He's brought down. Now this is the dreaded sight anytime there's a sack. He's hurting after taking that hit, and they're going to get out there to check on him.
Here we go. 11, 11. 12, 12, 12.
3rd and long for him here. That one is incomplete. Couldn't hang on through the contact. Now we've got a pause. Timeout called on the offensive side of the ball.
Field goal. A 49-yard attempt.
And that one is good. A little longer, but no problem at all. And add 3 to their lead as it They go play fake with Jones. He lets a heater go deep, middle of the field. An alert play defensively there. He got a hand on it to tip it away. That makes it 2nd down. On the ground, it's Miller. And he's short of the first after a mild gain. They get about 4 there. Need a little more than that now on 3rd and 6.
Brings up 3rd and 6.
Operating from the gun, it's Jones. And there's a man there. It's intercepted. Max Melton with the INT. And he makes the Huffs go. It's a touchdown on the pick 6. But we all know getting the interception is the important thing, Brock. But how about this guy having the wherewithal to transition into a really nice return to then get the touchdown out of it, too?
Yeah, that's a great point. We talk about it with receivers, right? Getting vertical right away after making a catch.
Here's Miller. And he'll get it out to the 34 before he's tracked down. Give him 4 that time, so 6 to go on 2nd down.
A gain of 4. It's now 2nd and 6. At the 34-yard line.
From the shotgun, it's Jones. It's taken in by Lamb. And he's got a decent gain before being brought down. 3rd down, 1 yard to go.
3rd and 1.
Trying to get it with the option here. And they've got him behind the line for a big loss.
4-yard loss.
It's results like that that drive coordinators nuts. Premature balding, gray, wrinkles, all of it, Kate. You call something conservative. The last thing you're thinking.
And the direct snap goes to the up man. He's going to go for it. And they get to him just in time. And that fake would have moved the chains. New set of downs for him at the 38. Out of the gun, they'll give it to him inside. And they're going to stop him after he runs it inside the 35. He managed 6 on the play, bringing up 2nd and 4. Out of the gun, here's Jackson. And the cover just too good there. Didn't find a throw that he was confident in, so just throws it away. 3rd down coming up. Shotgun snap to Jackson. He's on the move. He's running for it. He gets 6 on that play. And that's a Cardinals 1st down. We're to the 2-minute warning from AT&T. The Cardinals hoping to take a lead going into the break. All right, all set up now. 1st and 10. From the gun, Jackson. That's complete to Wilson. And they can't chop to him, but not until he's got a huge gain and a 1st down.
1st and goal, Arizona.
Working inside the red zone. He's got it! And he's brought down real close to that goal line at the 1. Second chance at 6 here. It's 2nd and goal.
Ball start. Offense.
There was a blitz coming, and that got somebody to panic and jump early. It cost him 5 yards. Could that penalty come back to haunt him? It's another 2nd and goal. Back to throw. Here's Jackson. Got it. And he's able to get it to the 2 before the stop. The Cardinals deciding to use the first of their 3 timeouts. Here we go, right up the gut. And he won't salvage that. It's a loss on the play.
If only this defense could look like that on every play, Kate. They were angry, motivated, focused, and they took that anger out on him and this offense, forcing a 4th down.
Daniel Carlson on for this field goal try. This only a chip shot from the right hash. And it is good. No problems there on the shorter attempt. And that's going to break our tie and give them a 3-point advantage.
Okay, one of the areas that kickers and quarterbacks are similar, they want to get into rhythm, and no better way to feel good and get into that rhythm than start a game 2 for 2 as a kicker.
Short kick here, fielded at the 15. He lost the football, and the fumble recovery is made. And they limit the damage on the return, but it is still a turnover.
These guys are flying down the field. Reminds me of the guys at Braveheart. But different than Braveheart, these guys got 2 things on their mind. Number 1, get the returner down, and number 2, try to separate the ball if they can. It's rare that it happens, but boy, is it big when it does.
And he's brought down real close to that goal line at the 1. This offense in position now. It's 1st and goal. Jackson looking to throw. And that one's incomplete, but boy, are they lucky it wasn't intercepted. That was a risky shot, but fortunately, they still have 2nd down coming up. Throwing from the gun. And down he goes. The Cowboy defense gets it done. So we're at halftime in this fight for a spot in the NFC Championship game. Now we'll send you east to our studios in Orlando. That's where Jonathan Coachman is waiting to bring you the EA Sports Halftime Report. Coach, what you got for us?
All right, Kate, thanks very much. One of these 2 teams is going to move on to the conference championship. We'll get back to you and Brock in just a moment. We'll get things started up at Ford Field in Detroit, where you see the final score there. Amon-Ra St. Brown, well over 100 yards with 2 touchdown catches to boot. Meanwhile, in our game, we're set up for a terrific second half. So to find out who will advance to the NFC title game, let's send it back out to Kate and Brock. This one's been as good as advertised. Just a field goal separating these 2 teams. This is a very level first half, and I'd expect to see more of the same after the break. These 2 teams making their final adjustment for the second half ahead. It's time to get back at it. For the call, let's rejoin Kate Scott and Brock Hewer.
Thanks so much for the look around the league, Coach. But now it's time to turn our attention back to this one as we begin the 3rd quarter. Has this at the 6. And this drive will start inside the 25. Here come the Cardinals to begin quarter number 3. And they really leaned on that passing game in the first half, Brock. Let's see if that emphasis continues to start the 3rd. On 1st and 10, it's Jackson. And he just hucks this one away. Wasn't going to risk a throw or force something. It brings up 2nd down. Lone back gets the handoff. And he found some running room for a nice gain. 7 yards on the carry. Now they've got 3rd and 3. Jackson throwing here. Defender arrives right as the ball does, and the hit knocks it free. Incomplete. Trying to find Trey McBride. So it's going to be 4th and short. Punt team on, and they'll send this one away. Starts the return at the 34. And they bring him down to put a stop to that return. The Cowboys returning their offense and this running back to the field. The Cowboys have it in position as they come up to the line, 1st and 10. Working from the gun, here's Jones. Here's the throw on the out route, complete. And he got this close to midfield before going out. Options are open here, it's 2nd and inches. Miller with it. And his short game gets them a new set of downs.
That's certainly a spot where you could be more aggressive, Kate, if you wanted to take your shots. But some coaches, even the bolder ones, will take the safe play first when they get it from time to time. No 3rd down required now.
21, 11.
Jones on 1st down. This is brought in at the 15. And he will score. Touchdown, Dallas! The Cowboys grab the lead on their first series of the half. C.D. Lamb with the touchdown. So that, Brock, an important score here as they move out in front.
You know, Kate, this is the time of the game where fatigue starts to set in every once in a while. But that right there was a determined-looking drive. They were not going to be denied and able to score and take the lead.
That one splits the up. Now it's Miller. Hits a seam at the 40. Works the sideline inside the 35. And he will score. Touchdown, Dallas! The Cowboys grow the lead to 7. Wow, just sensational speed from the back that time, Brock. He found a seam, got through it, and he was gone.
You know, it's one thing, Kate, to have singles hitters, right?
On 1st down, it's Jones to throw. He had it for a moment, but a great defensive play to jar it loose. Incomplete. Couldn't connect on 1st. It's 2nd down.
Here we go, get time.
Jones. Got Lamb, and it's complete. And he's brought down inside the 10 at the 9. It's a real solid pickup, 12 yards, and it rewards him with a 1st and goal.
Cowboys. 1st and goal at the 9-yard line.
They'll try and punch it in. And he will score. Touchdown, Dallas! The Cowboys pick it off and get points on the ensuing drive. Well, Brock, you know this better than most. In baseball, it's 3 strikes and you're out. I know you experienced that a lot, but on the gridiron, you're feeling pretty happy, right? If you... First down throw by Jones. That one is incomplete. Couldn't hang on through the contact. Well-timed strike by that defender to knock it free. So it'll be 2nd down.
At the 30-yard line.
Here we go. 11, 11. 21.
Throwing here, Jones. This one is tipped away and incomplete. Good positioning to make a play on it. That forces 3rd down.
You know, as a QB, I'm going to note that in the back of my head. That was a heck of a break. Knocks the ball away. DBs like that, they tend to, once they get one hand on the ball, have a pretty good beat on you and can get two hands on it the next time.
That's taken in by Samuel. And he'll push this upfield and earn them a new set of downs.
Good offenses. Okay, good play callers know how to utilize their personnel. They know where they wanted him. They wanted him on a route in space where he could make that initial play comfortably, but then go to work after.
We're down to 1 quarter to play in this NFC divisional round matchup. The Cowboys have it, hoping to close out a victory and advance another round. Ball on the 45, 1st and 10. Here's the handoff. Juke the defender. And finally, they're able to bring him to the ground. It's an 8-yard pickup, and they're going to have 2nd and 2 next. From the 47. Defender arrives right as the ball does, and the hit knocks it free. Incomplete. No connection on the last play, and now it's 3rd down. Out of the shotgun, they'll give it to him inside. And they make the stop. We're going to say it about the 37-yard line. That's a pickup of 9. And that's good for a Cowboys 1st down.
37-yard line.
Blitz coming for Jones. Well, the pressure nearly got to him, but still a good play defensively as that one falls incomplete. So after the incompletion, here comes the 2nd down call. Jones looking to throw. Short pass caught by his tight end. And he gets down to the 24 before he stopped. They'll get 14 yards and a new set of downs.
From a great throw to a nice route and catch to moving the chains, there wasn't a whole lot not to like about that amazing play.
Handoff now out of the gun. And they bring him to a stop, but this run gets him into the red zone down to the 15. Just a little short, but still a 9-yard pickup. That's going to bring up 2nd and 1. Again, it's Miller. And he's caught behind the line for a loss.
Kate, it's amazing how fast these guys are on the field and how fast your fortunes can turn. 2nd and short run, you're feeling good about yourself. But with a negative play, well, now comes a critical 3rd down.
3rd and short, he's taking the option right. And he's dropped just short of the marker, maybe a yard away.
A gain of 2 on the play. Brings up 4th and 1.
Now an inside handoff to Miller. And he'll pick up enough to move the chains.
They had the 1st down by a comfortable margin right there. Remember that play call. Put that one away. Could be a money play for them the next time they're in a similar spot.
They'll break the huddle and come up on 1st and goal. Running once more with Miller. And it's a gain down to the 5-yard line. Now after the run, we see some trainers headed out for an injured player who was shaken up. It's 2nd and goal. To throw, here's Jones. And he will score. Touchdown, Dallas! The 14-point lead now in the fourth. He hung in there as long as he could. A lot of quarterbacks would have bailed out, and it was what you talk about, Brock, that courage that kept the chant for the touchdown alive.
Yeah, that touchdown's going to show up on his stat sheet, making the...
On first down, they'll run. And he found some running room for a nice gain. Call it 9 yards. Looked like a first for a moment. It's 2nd and 1.
It's a gain of 9. Brings up 2nd and a yard.
Here we go, get set.
Now there's the flag. Looks like the jump came from the left side of the line.
Ball start. Offense.
There was a blitz coming, and that got somebody to panic and jump early. It cost him 5 yards. Back to the line they go. It's 2nd down. Running it after the penalty. And this one's brought to a halt at about the 36-yard line. He musters up 3 yards on the run. That sets up 3rd and 4.
It's a gain of 3. Brings up 3rd and 4.
Here we go, 11.
Looking to throw. Rifles it, and it's caught. It's a gain of 17 on that one. And it'll be first down, Dallas.
You know, they call that the money down for a reason, because you're just simply not going to last long in the NFL if you don't convert a good portion of your third downs. It's the money down. And nice to see them roll the dice and continue the series.
From the gun, a give to Miller. And he scampers ahead and gets 2 on the carry. We'll get a stoppage now. Looks like we have someone banged up after that run, in need of some attention. 8 yards to go. Let's see how they approach this 2nd down.
Here we go, get set. 11.
Hands it to the receiver here in motion. Oh, look at this sweep. And they get there to take him down right around the 41. Chance to move the chains here on 3rd and 4.
Brings up 3rd and 4.
21.
He'll throw it. It's tipped away and it's going to hit the ground incomplete. Defender winning that rep. That brings up 4th down. So a big kick coming up for Brandon Aubrey. This from the right hash and a considerable distance. Doesn't look like it has the leg, and it falls well short. And they fail to make this a 2-score ball game. The Cardinals with some nice field position to start off this drive. 1st and 10 coming up. Out of the gun, here's Jackson. Tight end reels in the shallow throw. And he'll cross the 50 and start pushing onto the opposing side of the field. Second down now, 7 to go. From the 48. He's got it, room to run. And they get there to take him down right around the 41. That's good for 7 yards. And it'll be first down, Arizona. From the gun, Jackson. That one falls incomplete, but our attention's still behind the line. He got cleaned after that throw and drew the instant flag. Man, there's no way around this, Brock. They had that offense exactly where they wanted them, and the penalty gives them a whole lot more breathing room.
Yeah, I'm thinking of the late, great Dennis Green. He said it perfectly. We had him right where we wanted, and we let him off the hook.
And he's just going to get rid of this one. Smart move there. When you saw the field, it's going to be second down. Throwing now. Beckham there to grab it. And he's brought down for a loss.
It's always nice to see teams still employ a fullback. I love rewarding the big guy with some touches during a game. They earn those looks. That was a well-run route, and he showed some soft hands to bring it in.
He keeps those feet in and makes the catch.
I know on the stat sheet, Kate, that shows up as passing yards, but any defensive coordinator will take it. Understanding down and distance and keeping that offense short of the sticks.
Fires over the middle, caught. And he's able to get this down to the 13. The Cardinals deciding to use the first of their 3 timeouts. Motioning left is their running back. Here he is to throw. He brings it in. And he'll be taken down at the last possible moment. He's at the 1. Arizona goes ahead and calls its second timeout. And they can take a moment to try to build more momentum after getting that first. To throw. Ooh, he got hit as he was throwing, and unsurprisingly, it falls incomplete. Second down coming up. Looking to throw it. And this is caught. Touchdown, Arizona. The Cardinals cut it to just 2 late in the game. So there's part 1, Brock. They get the touchdown that they desperately needed. Now, you'd imagine, comes a try for 2.
You know, Kate, this might be just as tough as that touchdown. I know they work all week on their 2-point plays, but they're hard to execute. That being said, if they want to force overtime, this is a must.
The Cardinals will line up for the
Now to throw. They're in field goal range, but it's intercepted. Dre Greenlaw picks it off. That was their chance to take a field goal out of the picture altogether, Brock. But now, really got to buckle down and keep them out of field goal range.
Isn't this just the NFL, Kate?
It is.
I mean, every single week it seems like we're into these one possessions at the end of the game, situations that matter. And now what matters for this defense is to keep the explosive plays to a minimum. Make this other team earn it if they're going to move down the field and, in fact, kick that game-winning field goal.
So they'll decline this and take the result.
That penalty is declined.
They're set up at the 35 now. He'll look to throw it. And down he goes. The Cowboy defense gets it done. Cardinals in the hurry-up now, racing the clock as they work to get set. That's incomplete left side. Last pass unsuccessful, and they have third down here. Back to throw it. And even on third down, he sees no choice other than to get rid of it. Not the play they wanted. It's going to be fourth down. Here he is to throw. He finds him beyond the marker. And they finally bring him down, but that is a big gain and a new set of downs. A modest amount of time left, Brock, but crucially, no timeouts for him. It's first down. Setting up to pass. He goes back to him yet again. Complete. Cardinals in the hurry-up now, racing the clock as they work to get set. Back to throw. And he doesn't see a window he likes, so he just got rid of that one and brings up third down. He's back to throw. And he just gets rid of this one, but unfortunately, that means fourth down coming up. So here's Daniel Carlson with the game in the balance. And the whistles go off, so we've got a timeout, 9 seconds left in the game. Now it all comes down to the veteran, confidently marching out for this moment. You better get all of this one. It's got a ways to go. It has enough leg, and it's good from deep. And that, folks, is your game winner.
That kick was a heck of a distance, but with the adrenaline that you know he had flowing through him in that moment, it helped give him all the drive he needed to send the game winner through.
Here's a return from the 7. And he's going to get this up to the 26 before being taken down. So the Cardinals get to fly home as winners on the road. And they pulled off the rare and elusive road win in the postseason, which means their journey stays alive another week as they head to the Conference Championship, where they're going to get a shot to punch their ticket to the Super Bowl. And with Brock Heward and our EA Sports crew, I'm Kate Scott saying so long from this one.